So I finally finished printing the Juno Heart of Hope sleeves for my client. Most of this is done on the Centauri Carbon, but a few pieces were done on the P1s. They came out very good. I think she's going to be very happy. I did sand down some of the rust spots from the supports, but she's going to have to do the rest. But I do also have the shoes to go with this. Tell me how you guys think this came out. Like and subscribe, please. It helps the channel. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thank you for watching.